Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you've been on the internet in the past couple weeks, then you know that all the hype right now is on AI technology. In this video, we're going to go over 5 AI coins that you can get into if you want to start investing in this technology yourself. Now, as always, this is not financial advice. These are just my own personal ideas. Always make sure to do your own research and know your risk level as well. Artificial intelligence has been growing rapidly in the past couple years, and blockchain technology has the ability to revolutionize how these systems are developed and later on used by users, as in you and I. Now, without further ado, let's look into the top 5 AI coins that are worth investing into right now. The first coin on our list is Singularity Net, ticker AGI. Singularity Net is a decentralized platform used for creating, sharing, and monetizing AI services. It was designed to promote a collaborative approach to AI development where users and developers could share their information and earn from this. Singularity Net has already partnered with some major players in the tech industry, including Cisco and Huawei, and it has a huge community backing, making it a very promising investment going forward. Additionally, Singularity Net has a diverse and experienced team that's constantly working on developing and expanding their platform. These are some of the reasons why we're placing Singularity Net at number 5 on our list, and it's definitely worth checking out. The second coin on our list today is Cortex, ticker CTXC. Cortex is a decentralized AI platform that enables the creation of AI-powered dApps, which are decentralized applications. Its unique architecture allows for a fast and efficient AI model on the blockchain. Cortex's team has a strong background in AI research and development, and the project has already gained recognition from some top blockchain and AI experts. Furthermore, Cortex has already been integrated into several blockchain networks, including Binance and Ethereum chain, and they have several partnerships in place with Neo, TomoChain, and KuCoin. Cortex is definitely a coin and a project you should be looking out for. Third on our list, we have Ocean Protocol, ticker OCEAN. Ocean Protocol is a decentralized data exchange protocol that aims to provide secure and privacy-preserving data sharing for AI development and research. I know, it's a mouthful. Basically what this is saying is that it's going to be creating an AI model using a vast range of different data sources, all while maintaining the privacy and security of its users. Ocean Protocol has been recently gaining traction and have already formed partnerships with some major tech players in the AI industry. To mention a few, we have Daimler, Roche, and Unilever. Additionally, Ocean Protocol also has a large community of data researchers and data scientists who are contributing to the platform continuously. Ocean Protocol is also one of the most popular AI coins, so it will most likely be seeing a jump once other AI coins take off as well, so it's definitely one that you should be considering having in your portfolio. The fourth AI coin on our list is Fetch.ai, ticker FET. Fetch.ai is a decentralized platform used for building and deploying autonomous agents that are capable of performing various tasks. These tasks include autonomous finance, supply chain optimization, and many, many more. Its AI-powered infrastructure enables the creation of efficient and intelligent marketplaces. This makes it a promising investment in both the AI and blockchain world. Fetch.ai has already partnered with several companies in the blockchain and tech industries, including Ocean Protocol, which was the third coin on our list, and Bosch. If you think this could be a good investment for you, definitely check out their white paper, see what they're doing, and think about investing in it. And last but not least on our list at number 5, we have Numerai, ticker NMR. Numerai, or Numer AI, is a decentralized hedge fund that uses machine learning and AI technology to predict the future price of stocks. It allows data scientists to contribute their work and get paid in cryptocurrency, helping to create a larger and more vast community as the coin grows and the community grows with it. This is a more collaborative approach to the hedge fund management. Numerai has already gained recognition in the finance industry, being featured in publications both in Forbes and Bloomberg. Additionally, they've developed a strong community of data scientists and machine learning experts and already have partnerships with other huge players such as Bridgewater Associates. If you're looking to bridge your investing in stocks with your investing in crypto, then Numerai might be a great way to start, especially seeing as it also has AI technology and it's using other great minds around the world to try to manage a communal hedge fund essentially. There are many crypto AI coins out right now, but this is just a short list of 5 that maybe you haven't heard of before and want to look more into. This video is just a way for you to dip your feet into crypto AI coins. You still have to do your own research. I'm just giving you the name of a couple coins that you might want to look into, so at least you know where to start. Promise me you're going to do your own research before investing into any of these coins, because this isn't financial advice. It's just, again, my ideas. However, these coins do show great potential in a rapidly growing field, so they may be good ones to have in your portfolio. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe if you did enjoy the video, and as always, see you next time.